Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Namjot and I'm learning how to create websites using React, and mostly I'm using MongoDB, but for this project I am using MySQL in the database. So I have created a scheduling app my college for my college project, and I will be showing you the website that I have created. And it's like a group project, and like the basic features and functionalities that the app has. So I have used Next.js, mainly the app router, which is like the latest version. And as you can see, like this is the basic code. The link for this code, the GitHub link will be provided in the description, so you can just check from there and copy and paste the code. So as you can see, like these are all of the pages that I have, the tabs I have, and this is the code. And here I have like the components and everything. So yeah, I also have one readme file. Like if you want to set up this project in your own uh, machine, then you can just read this, and if you have any problems, then you can just drop a comment and I will help you in fixing the problem and running this project on your machine. So uh, I'm using like MySQL in the database. As you can see, there are some tables like related to, like if I just show you this one, you can just see like this is the data. I'm using MySQL workbench. So like without let's just go and just show you a basic demo, like the basic features that this app has. So this is like the home page, and it has like three login types. The one is for admin, observer, and instructor. So firstly I'm going to log in as admin. Admin is going to have basically every permission to create or update anything or even delete the data. So I'm just going to log in. Now I'm just going to refresh to just and so like this is the basic dashboard for admin. As you can see, it shows today's date and how many classes are going on. I think there is some error coming up on these three things. So it's showing 0. I think I will try to fix it later on, and it will show like these cards will show how many classes are going on, how many instructors are there, and any password requests that we have. And in the announcement section we can see like a basic announcements that are published, and like the basic heading and the description and the time they were posted on. uh, so if you want to like an admin wants to create a post any new announcement to all of the staff members, you can just post from here. So like for this thing, this card, I have used ShadCN, which is a great thing because you can just use the layout, and it's so much time saving, and you can just grab the components from there. So like if I'm going to say like new announce, um, now I'm going to post. As you can see, this is here like the new announcement, and you can just delete it as well. So this is just basic CRUD operations that it's like very easy to do. So I will be moving on to the master schedule. It's like the main page of the website. So the main purpose behind creating this website was to so that our college like don't have to share everything to everyone. We just can post it on the website, and other staff member they can just get here and check the information for themselves. So this was like the main purpose of this. So master schedule, it will have like the basic schedule of that particular term. For example, right now it's winter, so it shows like the winter schedule, like what are the courses going on in winter, like what's the delivery type and which campus are they going on at. So yeah, I think this is it. And from this upload file, you can just select any Excel file and upload the file here, and it will be automatically converted into a table, and automatically be converted into a table. And there is one drop down menu, it like changes the table. So right now it's winter, and if I change this into fall, we can just check like from here. Like I added this special column like schedule term, it shows like this is fall, and if I change this into winter, it shows it's winter. So yeah, so that's the difference. So I can just search something here. So if I want to search like social issues, like you can just search easily, because in a college you have like hundred of courses that are going on in one term, so this search feature is very helpful. And there is also another this sidebar. For this I have also used ShadCN. I have used this for like hiding and hiding columns. As you can see, like here it's showing campus. Like if I want to hide campus, it's gone from this side. And if I want to hide like the course name, I can also do that by just clicking this and save. So this is getting saved in the local storage. So when I'm going to open my laptop again like the next day, it will be automatically saved in local storage, so I don't have to go here again and again and do those things. So that's like a very good thing. That must be. And you can also download the Excel file by clicking this uh, button, and you can add one entry to this, and you can just delete the whole thing. So I think it's just basic stuff. Let's just move on to the next thing. So announcements, I have already shown what is announcement. So instructors, it's like very similar to the master schedule, so it also has drop down and everything. So yeah, so it basically has everything. So now let's just go to classrooms. It's just the basic uh same thing, but it has like a basic, like you can upload an Excel file and it will be converted into a table. So I think that's basically the main, you can say main feature of the website. And in the programs you can see like different programs that are going on. And I have added like this zoom in effect. When you hover over it, it looks nice. So when a user is going to click on this, it will go to our college website. Like if we go to computer programming, it will directly open the page of this. So for this logic I have used, so for this I have used like a JSON document, in which I have added all of this data as an object, and I'm using just an for loop to move through each array, for each loop to move through each data and just show their images and everything. I can just show you here in as well. uh, like if you go to the public and in the constants, you can just find this file. It's as you can see, there is an object called programs, and here you can see like this is the name of like the a category like undergraduate. It has like name, URL link which will go to the college website, and the image of a link. uh, so I think yeah, this is it. And this is like another category, graduate certificate. So like if you go to the website, like this is the first category and this is the second category. So how this is how the whole thing's working. And if I move on to the next one, it's a stuff page. So in the stuff page, you are also going to upload an Excel file. So there is a specific format for like everything that's here. Like the Excel file should have a specific name, columns that should be there. So in order to like get properly added to the database, I will just show you by like what's the basic structure of all of the files. I'm just gonna go to like, I have also added like a sample files like in which you can check what should be like the basic format of the instructor files and what should be like of schedules and classes and on-site sample. So as you can see, if you are uploading an excel file, it will categorize everything by their own date and the day. So like on 6th of June, it's Monday, and it has changed into teams. Like there is academics team, advising team, and I think this one is academic assistant. And in names, you can just see like in academics, this John, Olivia, Benjamin, and Olivia, they are working, and in advisor, V is working and A is well is working. And here is the whole list. So yeah, that's about it. So room requests, this is also like a main feature uh, of the website. I think right now it doesn't have anything, so that's why it's showing this. So in room request right now we have no request, so I'm going to log in again like as a different, like as an observer or instructor, and I'm going to send a request. So let me just log out from here and log in as an instructor. So when you are logged in as an instructor, you will like get to see your dashboard in which you will able to see like your current schedule. Like right now the email ID I have entered has no schedule, so it shows no data to display. And all of the instructors, they can see like these pages like room requests. So in room requests instructors, like I'm going to enter, like fill the data, and like you can just select the time and date, and then you can submit the request. So when you have submitted the request, it will be shown in the request, and right now you can see like the status, it's pending. So when the admin will approve this request, it will be changed into approved or like rejected. And in remarks you will be able to see like which room you want to book, which room you can use. So now I'm going to sign out and log in as admin and approve the request. So as you can see, the request is here, and right now I'm going to like write the remark, you can use room, and I'm going to approve the request. As you can see, the status has been updated to done, and now I'm just going to log out and just going to log in again. And as you can see like in room request, the status has been updated done, and you can see like you can use room 202. So this is how like the whole thing is working, like how you can send a room booking request and the admin is going to approve it or reject it, and you can see the status here in here, like if it has been updated or not. There are still many things that we can add here, like uh, after some time these requests, they will automatically disappear, because we don't want to have like so many requests like for like last months and months here. So we can add something that in the future, but for now I'm just going to show you like the academic file. So in academic file, like you can upload a file. Let me just log in as an admin, but so now I'm just going to log in as admin. So in academic file, like you can see this is it. So you can like delete or download a file from here, you can upload anything else. Like if I just want to upload this, I don't know if it will be uploaded or not. Yeah, it's uploaded. Like there is also one thing that I have added here, like as you can see, if it's a PDF format, it will show icon of a PDF, and if it's a Word document, it will show icon of a Word document, else it's going to show this question mark. So for this I have used this component. I will just show you, like if you go to components and if you go to design, I think yeah, this one, file type icon, like it will take string as called file type, and like it's a PDF icon. This is the component for Excel, and this is for Word, and this is for else statement. So if like file type is equal, the string is equal to this, it will return this component, this, and otherwise it will return that component. So this is how the whole thing's working, and how I'm able to get like dynamic icons. So this is like very good for user, because you can just check like, oh, this is just a PDF and this is a Word document. So it makes it way easier to just find stuff, because sometimes there are so many files, like 10 to 20 files, so it's very difficult to find the files without the icons. So that's it for academic files. So now I'm just going to move on to users. It is just a basic thing in which there are, you can, admin can see like the users that are present, their email, password, and their role. And if you want to edit anything, you can just edit from here, or you want to add a user, you can add from here, like new user. Like if you just use this, it's going to be like observer. As you can see, the user has been added, and you can also edit something like new user updated. The new user has been updated. So it's just a very straightforward, like simple CRUD operations. So now let's just move on to the profile. So in profile, the main purpose of this is to like change your password. Like if you want to change your password, you can just change from here. Right now we don't have any OTP verification, so like if you want to change your password, you have to like send an request to the admin, and the admin can reset the password for you. But in the future, I'm planning to add an OTP verification to this website, so that it's there is like less work on the admin, and users, they can reset their password on their own. uh, so that's it for like this uh, video for this website that I have created. Hope you guys like it. If you guys have any feedback, you guys can share it in the comments, or if you want to ask any questions, you can just ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer any of your doubts. Thank you for watching this video.